so anyways, Rizoma Stealth Mirrors. What do I think? Right off the bat, for the people that don't want to watch the full video, I absolutely love them. Alright, sweet, we successfully made the drop. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it's because you didn't watch the last video that I uploaded. My girlfriend just purchased a brand new Lexus IS 350, and I was dropping off some documents that the dealership still needed. Alright, so what I wanted to do on the ride back into town was talk to you guys a little bit about the Rizoma Stealth Mirrors. It's probably the #1 question that I get from people on the channel in the comment section, and people, you know, when I'm out riding around, they always want to know what I think about the Rizoma Stealth Mirrors, if I like them, if I don't like them, that sort of thing. So that's what I'll do here in this video. I'm probably going to get rolling a little bit better here, get out of traffic. We're kind of like in the downtown area. So once I get out on the interstate, I'll probably be able to talk to you a little bit better and not have to worry about somebody pulling out in front of me and trying to kill me. So Waze is wanting me to go that direction, but I'm just going to go ahead and ignore that one. She'll have to reroute and figure out something different to do for me here, because I'm not going to jig-jag through all the side streets of Dallas. Yeah, see, probably a lot of traffic, but it is what it is. I think I'm actually going to go this way. And you'll see why here in a second. This might have been a big brain move. Oh no! Not a big brain move. Evidently some sort of accident or something like that up there. Well, I'm gonna flip around, go north. Might be a little bit of a longer route, but I think it's going to ultimately save me time rather than fooling around driving into Dallas. Hopefully I'm right, we'll see. Bear with me here, not sure how long into the video this is going to be after I cut everything out, but I will talk about the Rizoma Stealth Mirrors at some point here. I just need a little bit more room over here. Go ahead and get by. There we go. Sweet. Little AMG GTS. Alright, so anyways, Rizoma Stealth Mirrors. What do I think? Right off the bat, for the people that don't want to watch the full video, I absolutely love them. Why did I do it? Because I thought the factory mirrors that came on this bike were absolutely hideous. So I knew right off the bat that was going to be one of the first things that I was going to address. I looked at different bar end mirrors, the round ones, the little ones that stick up like this on the sides. Thought those were pretty cool. I don't know how functional they would have been. I've never had bar end mirrors before, but ultimately settled on the Rizoma Stealth Mirrors. Thought they were the most aggressive look. Thought that they looked absolutely fantastic with the MV styling. And I couldn't be happier with them, you know. I mean, they're absolutely excellent for the purposes that I use them for. A lot of people think that they have a drawbacks as far as visibility and things like that. I would totally disagree though, at least on this bike. So the factory mirrors that MV puts on these bikes, for whatever reason, and it might just be a personal thing as far as, you know, the height that I am or the way that I ride, but I could not adjust them to actually be able to see behind me. And the Rizoma Stealth Mirrors, I'm able to kind of tilt those perfectly to where I can see, you know, both right and left. I can see behind me. You know, all I really have to do is kind of move my arm out of the way, right or left sometimes, to get full visibility of what's going on in my rear view. So as far as mirror functionality, I think that it's an upgrade over factory. And then obviously the styling factor, these look way sleeker. They look like they belong on the bike. So that's what I think about the Rizoma Stealth Mirrors. If anybody out there is considering doing the upgrade, I completely recommend it. They are expensive, but they're a super high quality part. The fit and finish on these is awesome. I didn't install them myself. I actually had the dealership install them, so I can't comment on the ease of installation and things like that. But as far as I can tell, they were easy enough for them to install. Didn't give them any problems. You know, they look factory. They don't look like something that's tacky or jicky or attached on. The one thing that I did lose, and again, this is more bike specific, but the turn signals on the front of this bike were integrated into the factory mirror, so I no longer have front turn signals. Not a big deal to me, but for some people that may be a big deal. You know, here in the state of Texas, we actually don't even have to have turn signals on our motorcycles legally. We just have to use hand signals. If anybody has any other questions about the Rizoma Stealth Mirrors, hop down in the comments below. Type up your questions there. Other than that though, I love them. I love the styling, I love the functionality of them. And we'll probably go through and review some other parts on the bike, because I think it could be useful for people that view the channel. So if you guys enjoyed this one, hit the thumbs up button for me. Go down below, comment like I said, and subscribe to the channel for future content. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.